So this is what I would do. Your doc is still opening as a Google Doc. So once you've shared that with your team, so I would assume all of fifth grade, I would have each of you go to your course that you want to use it for. So I just have a random Schoology practice course for me. And you said you wanted to share it with all of your students. So here's your option. If you want each child to be completing it, you want to do add assignment. And then I'm just going to put test so I know what it is. So did you see this assign from app, Google Drive assignment? So I would click that button. And so whoever created the document is going to be able to find it here. I know it said lesson 1. So if I can just search here. If I can't find it, I can also go to my shared with me in my Google Drive or just my Google Drive. But if I search, and that's usually where I do because I have so many files, I just search for one of the words and then I can click on it. So it's highlighted blue, even though I've moved my cursor away. Click attach. And so notice underneath Google Drive assignments, it says UDHR Lesson 1 Note Catcher. And this will create a copy of your file for each student. So each student is creating their own copy of that lesson, that graphic organizer. And so if you know that you are going to score it, I would give it a due date and whatever your points are, which you can edit later, and whatever category. So you would just create a new category. So if you were taking a grade on this, you would want to choose whatever the category you have in your eSchool and create that in your Schoology. And then hit create. What did I do wrong? Oh, it's telling me I had to have a category. Sorry. So ungraded if I'm not grading it. My apologies. The other option, if you want all of the students working in the same document, then you would just do add file, link, external. And it would really be a link because that's what Google Docs are. And so I would get the share link from my Google Drive. So you shared it with me. Let's let it load first. So shared with me. And so I would right click and then get the shareable link. I want to make sure what the share settings are though, because I want to make sure it's with anybody, not just specific names. However, if you're using the Google Drive assignment, you don't need it. So I'm going to hit advanced if I'm wanting all the students to work in the same document. I'm going to say anyone with the link or anyone in the Norwich City School District is totally, or anyone with the Norwich City District with the link. So it decides what you want. So hit that if you want to have all your students. And then here's my link. So I'm going to copy that, hit done, go back to Schoology. Here's my link, and then my I don't remember, I'm sorry. And then I hit add. So this is where all the students are going to work in the same document. And if you've got more than one class working in it, think about that. You may need to make a copy for each teacher that's using it. Or if each child is making their own, you're going to make an assignment. Let me know if you need any more assistance. I hope this helps.